Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 18th of October, 2023. After witnessing recovery in the previous session, the market again came under pressure on October 18th amid selling across the sectors barring auto and pharma. At close, the Sensex was down 551.07 points, or 0.83% at 65,877.02. And the Nifty was down 140.40 points, or 0.71% at 19,671.10. The biggest losers included Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and NTPC, while gainers were Cipla, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, and Tata Motors. Talking about the corporate segment, we have the KARUR VYSYA Bank shares scaled a fresh 52-week high of 152 rupees on October 18th, as the stock rallied 7% since the lender posted record profit for the September quarter a day before. Given the bank's modest core performance, broad-based advances growth, good asset quality, and positive outlook, brokerages remain bullish on the stock. KARUR VYSYA Bank reported a net profit of 378 rupees crore for the quarter ended September 2023, a 51% on-year increase. Its operating profit grew 12 year-on-year to 638 rupees crore, and NII jumped 11.45% to 915 rupees crore. The bank is well placed to deliver its targeted ROA of around 1.5% through accelerated efforts on leveraging its product mix, better cross-sell outcomes and productivity gains, according to analysts at HDFC Securities. TEJAS networks rallied 7.3% to touch a new high of 939 rupees on BSE on October 18th morning after it announced that its Italian partner, FiberConnect, rolled out broadband services in that country that was built using its telecom and networking products. TEJAS was the sole supplier of optical networking and broadband access products for FiberConnect's countrywide FTTP, fiber to the premise, rollout, the company said in an exchange filing on October 17. FiberConnect is a wholesale telecom infrastructure player in Italy. Shares of SYNGENE International Limited plunged over 6% on October 18 after the drug maker trimmed its revenue guidance to a mid-teen level in the second half of the year. The cut in the forecast comes amid a slowdown in US biotech funding. We now expect the revenue to grow at mid-teens on a constant currency basis, the company said in an exchange filing on October 17. In the quarter ended September, the company reported a 14.22% increase in consolidated net profit at 116.5 rupees crore against 102 rupees crore a year ago. The share price of Housing and Urban Development Corporation cracked 10% on October 18 as the government proposed to divest up to 7% of its stake in the state-run housing finance player through the OFS route. The president, acting through the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, gave the nod for the share sale in HUDCO. The floor price for the offer has been fixed as 79 rupees per equity share, a regulatory filing noted. On the first day of the OFS, which is October 18, non-retail investors can bid for 3.5% or 7 crore shares of HUDCO's total paid-up equity share capital. In the event that the oversubscription option to additionally divest a further 3.5% stake is exercised, non-retail investors can carry forward their bids to day 2 of the OFS on October 19, while retail investors can begin bidding. Orient Cement Limited shares surged by nearly 8% following reports that the company's promoter, CK Birla, has approached Gautam Adani to sell his stake. At 10 a.m., the stock was trading at 203 rupees on BSE, up 7.5% from its previous close, while India's benchmark Sensex rose 66,371 points, down 0.08%. According to an ET report, Birla turned to Adani after rejecting initial offers from other domestic players that didn't meet his valuation demands. JP Morgan was previously engaged by Birla to find a buyer for his business. Currently, the Birla family and private investment vehicles hold a 37.9% stake with a market value of 3,890 rupees crore. The stock has seen a 65% jump so far this year. The share price of ZOMATO scaled a 52-week high of 115 rupees on October 18 morning after the company, tied up with Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation. ZOMATO will supply and deliver pre-ordered meals through IRCTC's online catering portal as a proof of concept in the first phase at 5 railway stations: New Delhi, Prayagraj, Kanpur, Lucknow, and Varanasi. In September, the company signed a deal with Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation to enable MSRTC's online bus booking services through IRCTC's bus booking portal or website. SEQR Credentials Limited in daily time frame is trading around 20.70 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.303 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 17.95, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.08. GKW Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,234.70 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 51.38 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1,079.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.49. Synovista Limited in daily time frame is trading around 23.65 points with a change of 15.37%, and is trading with a net volume of around 3.399 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 18, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 86.78. For stocks to watch, we have Tata Motors looks good on current market price of 668. It can be bought at 669 rupees, keeping target of 685 rupees with stop loss of 653. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.